Hello, Moneymakers. Did you know there is one niche on YouTube which is absolutely blowing up? Yes, now take a look at this channel, and then this channel, then this one as well. There are many movie recap channel, and they are doing absolutely amazing when it comes to views, subscribers, and engagement. Take a look at the earnings of this channel. That is over $25,000 per month. I assume almost every channel who has more than 50,000 subscribers are making over $10,000 a month. If you are a movie lover, then this niche will not feel like work to you. Tell me one thing, who don't like movies these days? People love to watch the movie recaps as that is free, and if they like it, then they might make decision to watch the whole movie or rent it somewhere. Many times people don't have time to watch complete movies, so they prefer watching recaps to understand the movie in short amount of time. The worst thing about these channels is you will get lots of copyright strikes as you will take clips from the original movie. However, your AI Maskman has found a way to avoid any copyright claim on your videos with the help of AI. Yes, you heard it right. So in this video, we will generate scripts using ChatGPT, create high-quality voiceover with AI, and turn movie clips into animation with Domo AI tool. Oh wait, you must be wondering what happened to my voice and why does it sound so different? Well, I was partying all night yesterday, and I got a throat infection due to which my voice sounds a bit heavier now. I hope you can manage it. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a channel. To create a channel, we need a description, logo, and banner. So let's ask ChatGPT. I want to start a movie recap YouTube channel and suggest some names for me. And as a result, ChatGPT provides many names for our channel. Still, if you are not satisfied, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest more names. All right, I will choose this one, film flashbacks. All right, now ask ChatGPT to write a description for my channel and also provide 20 hashtags for your channel. Now head over to your YouTube accounts and create a new channel. Then add description and hashtags, which we generated with ChatGPT. Now we need a channel logo and channel banner. All right, so let's generate our profile picture with AI. And for this, you can use Canva. Just search for the movie logo, and here you will find many ready-made templates which you can edit it and use, or else you can also start with blank. Alternatively, you can also generate logo images with help of any text-to-image generator tool. Now for banners, also follow the same process. Search for the movie YouTube channel banner templates. And as a result, you will get plenty of options. So choose one of them and add it into your YouTube channel. All right, so our step 1 of creating a YouTube channel is completed. Now let's proceed to the next step. Step 2, generate a movie script. For this, first of all, you have to select the movie, which has an interesting and unique script. After selecting movie, create a narration script, and I suggest before creating a script, you must watch the movie and understand the whole concept. So in this way, you can create a narration script with an audience perspective. Or else, you can also take help of any AI tool, such as ChatGPT and Google Gemini. If these tools have a data, they will provide you a movie narration script. Or if they do not have data, you can Google about the movie name and their recaps. You will find many articles on the same, so you can also copy the article and ask AI tool to create a narration script for your video. All right, so let's ask ChatGPT, do you know the Passenger movie 2016? Yes, ChatGPT has a data of this movie. All right, so let's ask ChatGPT, could you please narrate the movie for me? And as a result, ChatGPT provided complete movie narration script within seconds. I think it will be a little short, so I will ask ChatGPT to expand second paragraph. So if you are getting short script from ChatGPT, you can use this method to expand your script. By this, you can generate your narration script. It's so easy. I recommend it to read the storyline or watch the recap on another channel to get your unique angle, which will help you to create an amazing and interesting video for your channel.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Let's jump to the next step. Step 3. Generating voiceover for your script. If you are confident in speaking and have a good voice, you can record your own voice and add it into the timeline. Otherwise, you can also generate with any AI voice generator tool. I will suggest you to use 11 Labs if you want a 100% human-like, realistic voice for your video. And if you want to go with the free option, you can use Clipchamp or any other tool in which you can generate voiceover for free. All right, so let's open 11 Labs. Click on Voice and Voice Library. Then choose narrative and story from these available options. Choose age, language, gender to get your unique voice. After that, listen all the sample voice and choose.
The best thing about the future is that it only comes Courage is not the absence of fear.
We spend our days waiting for the ideal path to appear and
Then paste your script and generate audio track. You can also make some changes to get your unique and perfect voice. Let's move on to the fourth step. Step 4, convert video clip into animations. First of all, find a movie from the YouTube or any other platform and download or you can also record scenes by any video recording tool. Then open canva.com and choose video icon from the dashboard. After that, upload the movie clip and audio track, which we generated in 11 labs. Instead of Canva, you can use any video editor tool for this step. Now add the voice track into Timeline and cut the movie part by choosing Split Page from these options. After that, set the movie scene according to VoiceOver. For the reference video, I only took a trail clip just to show the process, but you need to download the complete movie to make your movie recap video. Make sure you can narrate a complete movie in maximum 20 to 25 animated video. Alright, after setting all the scene according to voice, click on the share button and download all the pages one by one. Or if you have a pro account, you can download all the pages separately with just one click. Alright, now to convert video into animation. Open your browser and search for the Domo AI and open the link. With this tool, you can convert any video into anime style, paper style, pixel style, or many more. However, you can also generate images and convert images into video. Or this tool also converts anime images into realistic photos. Alright, join the Discord server and then click on any of this generated room. Then enter / and choose video to video from the available options. And upload the movie clip. I have arranged all the clips in chronological order, so it will not be mess and you can download it easily. Alright, let's upload the any of this. You can also mention additional information in the prompt box. As of now, I'm just writing to convert this video. And after a few seconds, you will get the message. Now we need to choose an animation style. There are so many styles available. Then choose the duration of your video. It's ready. Let's have a look.
But as he searches for answers, he discovers he's not the only one awake.
Do you know what's
Aurora
going
Lane,
on?
also stranded in the void of space.
I think something went wrong with the
Now,
Amazing, right? Now download the clip and repeat this process until the last clip. Or you can also generate related images and videos with this tool. For an example here, I generated the spaceship image. And now I'm going to animate this for this enter / and choose animate. After a few seconds, you will receive this message and now choose the intensity and duration of your video. This is how you can animate all the videos according to your choice.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
Alright, let's move to the last step of editing. For this, I will use CapCut. You can use any editing software of your choice. Now import all the clips in CapCut and arrange it in order. Or if you download these clips without voice from the Canva, so you need to add voice over track also. Then add effects, filter transitions, and make your video amazing.
space.
Now at last, add background music. For this, open the YouTube audio library and choose one of the music which suits your video and add it here. Set the volume, and that's it. Your video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube, and thus, you do not get any type of copyright in your channel.